Well, Father's Day is a time to celebrate Dad, and one of the best ways to do that, why not cook up a delicious meal? We are here with registered dietitian and Wall Street Journal best-selling cookbook author, Toby Amidor. She has lots of yummy ideas for us. Toby, thanks for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me.
So Father's Day, hopefully the weather will be nice. Looks like it will be. Have a barbecue outside, right?
Yes, definitely. A good barbecue, but you want high quality ingredients.
That's right.
And that's why today I'm thrilled to partner with the wonderful company and Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice and also wonderful pistachios.
That's great. And I know Dad loves a good cocktail.
Yes, Dad loves a good cocktail.
And you whipped one up for us.
Yes, I have it. This one has bourbon, pomegranate juice, some ginger simple syrup to give a kick of ginger, and a little garnish of rosemary and a little lemon juice in there too. But the reason it's a little bit better for you, so we have Palm Wonderful 100% pomegranate juice, which has, so I'm going to show you, this is a 16-ounce bottle.
Yeah.
This has the juice of 4 whole pomegranates with no added sugar, fillers, color, or preservatives. But also what it does is it actually has more antioxidants than green tea. So what antioxidants do, they help get rid of free radicals that damage your cells. So it's nice in a cocktail. That's one delicious way that Dad can enjoy it.
Yeah, I love that. And you know, you hear antioxidants all the time. They're so good for you. And if you could get one while enjoying yourself, why not?
Yes.
Okay, so Palm Wonderful can be used for that. You also included it in one of your dishes.
I did. I also included it in, you know, you need something on the grill. So I have chicken on the grill, and then there's actually a barbecue sauce made from scratch that uses some Palm Wonderful
a little tang,
in it.
Right?
Yeah, so it adds that like sweetness. It adds that really nice flavor, and there's
delicious.
some smoked paprika in there. It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
So that's what I have over here. And then of course you need sides, right?
Of course.
So with the sides, I actually focus more on the wonderful pistachios. So it's a complete plant protein with 90% of the fat being the healthy monounsaturated fat. And then it's a good source of fiber and protein. So you have a trio of nutrients that really help keep you feeling satisfied after your meal. So what did I make with it? I have a corn salad.
Yum.
So that has parsley in it. You can see the pistachios. Now, one of the good flavors that just came, this is new release. This is like a jalapeno lime, and that tastes so good if you put it together, because I do have some jalapeno, or you could do some red chili pepper in there.
And it has a crunch too.
Has the crunch too. So that's really fun for Dad.
That's great.
too, right? And then I have a carrot slaw as well.
Delicious.
So it has some carrots, it has some cilantro in there, a very simple, literally the whole thing took me like about an hour, not even, to prepare with dessert.
With
dessert. I'm really trying to make it easy so everyone can make Dad happy, but not slave in the kitchen.
That's right. I love all of the flavors that they have. You could really mix it up depending on what you're making, or even if you want to just grab it for a snack.
Right. You can do even in shell if you want to do an appetizer and just put it out, or make a nice board with it too. Absolutely.
And you did tackle dessert as well for us.
I did. It's a dark and milk chocolate bark. And then when I was done, you melt it. I just did it in the microwave, and then you put out the chocolate, and then you put the pistachios on it, stick it in the fridge, 1 hour, it's solidified, and you break it into chunks. It's so simple.
That's so easy to do.
Yes.
You just do a little prep in the morning, let it freeze up, and then it's ready for the barbecue.
Exactly.
Right?
I'm all about easy.
Me too, especially because on Tuesdays, Alyssa and I do Trending Tuesday segments. The easier, the better, because we're not good at it. So if we could do it, you could certainly do it. And you are always helping us with some great tips. So tell us where our viewers can get wonderful pistachios and Palm Wonderful.
Sure. So Palm Wonderful is the website, palmwonderful.com, and then you have wonderfulpistachios.com. You can get all these recipes there. And of course, they're found in all your local markets near you.
And of course, we love to keep up with you, Toby. Do you have a website we could check out?
I do. TobyAmidorNutrition.com.
All right. Great ideas for Dad this Sunday. Don't forget, Toby Amidor, thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you next